7 First Alert Weather.
Well, just to let you know, as we look at the latest satellite, you can see here over the southwest section of the state that, of course, with this, we're only seeing just a few clouds that are moving through right now. We're not seeing freezing rain. We're not seeing the showers at this point, but quite a few clouds. Now, that doesn't mean that it's entirely over with, but let me show you here the huge change as you look here to the southwestern Oregon coastal line and northern California. Look at all this moisture coming up from the southwest. Now, that means two things. As it comes up from the southwest, we're going to be getting some of that warmer air. As we go out here a little wider, you can see there's a lot of moisture out there. So we see an atmospheric river forming. That means a wet week, and with the warmer temperatures and the snow on the ground and the snow melt, highs getting into the mid-40s by Tuesday, okay, that could melt a lot of the snow even down in the valley. So a little concern about some of that quick melting and what's taking place throughout some of those locations. So we'll be watching that because there could be quite a bit of rain moving through. Here's the amounts of rain anticipated as we continue through tomorrow. You'll see that it begins about mid-afternoon. There could be a little freezing rain in there. Now, we're going to be also looking at rain showers mainly as that full thrust of that storm system moves up from the southwest. So by the time we get to later tomorrow night, we could have already about a quarter of an inch of rain. Could even be a little bit more as we get into Wednesday, maybe even as much as a half an inch of rain. But look what it does here in the mountains. Now, here's through Tuesday, and you'll notice that full amounts of snow going into Wednesday shows nearly a foot of snow for Stanley, about 4 to 5 inches for Sun Valley, and then you can see from McCall about 6 inches of snow. This is all above about 6,000 feet. To begin with, there could be a little rain-snow mix, but not for Stanley. But that could be the case for McCall, and the same thing for Haley, a little rain mixing in. So the futurecast, just to show you what to look for tomorrow morning, as you can see around through here, this is by about noontime. So it looks like it's not the morning commute, but we already have quite a bit of moisture on those roads. The temperatures have been cold. It heated up a little bit today, so it melted some, but we still have some icy spots, slick conditions on some snow-covered roads, especially the back roads. But I'd watch all roads for tomorrow morning. Remember, Jim Duthie tomorrow morning begins at 5 o'clock in the morning to help you with that. After that moves through, I want to show you all the rain, okay? It begins here. This is into Tuesday, very early in the morning. Rain, rain. Rain, rain, rain. And when you look at it, it's more snow in the mountains. This is through Tuesday night and Wednesday. So quite a bit of that rain will be moving through as the temperatures warm up. Right now we have cool conditions as you look around most of your valley locations. Mountain locations, temperatures are coming up just a bit. You can see nearly a 40 tomorrow for McCall. So those showers will begin as some rain showers to begin with. But into Tuesday morning, it'll be changing over to snow. Down here in valley locations, we just have to watch those roads again. As you see, the temperatures are down around 30 degrees toward tomorrow morning. So over the next 7 days, look at those temperatures. Like Tuesday, there's a 46, Wednesday a 42. Thursday and Friday, we might get a little more snow mixed in, but still good news for skiers and everyone else. We're going to be getting snow in most of those mountain locations. But how about that? Like yesterday, would you think we're going to be seeing rain and 46 degrees?
No, I wouldn't, but it looks like it's here to stay.
Within the next day, it's going to happen. And then, yeah, toward the end of next week, we could be seeing the snow levels lowering a little bit.
All right, Rick, thank you so much. We'll talk again soon.